side. It is their hour. You support me to see that everybody celebrates. But before co-curricular activities, especially music, dance and drama, sports and many other, allow me to share this small post that was given to me by a parent. Then you will see the beauty of this day that we've given to you. The head of Butabika Mental Hospital, Dr. Juliet Naku, informs all of us that mental health disorders are increasing among children. She states that the root cause is putting them under excessive academic pressure, waking them up too early, and keeping them confined to much books for a long time. She says that the number of sick children they are treating has risen. And the causes academic pressure, the causes the academic pressure, that is intense competition and high expectations in the schools. Then we have sleep deprivation. We deprive the children from having enough sleep, and this practice of waking them so spending nearly all the time studying with little time to play, rest or social development. So people who are ever against these activities, you've just heard from what the doctors say. I request you support these girls wherever they are so that they are kept safe. Dear people, so support us as we save these young girls, the young generation, from mental health disorders. Support us. I want to appreciate everybody, and these parents who are here, I think you're supporting the co-curricular activity for the Platinum Jubilee. We gave it ourselves. So parents, thank you so much. And the girls have done it so well. Thank you, girls. And the trainers, the instructors, you're doing a good job. So our school band and instructors, thank you so much. Allow me to appreciate Mr. Serwan Niko,
the head teacher on her behalf, the head teacher of the school, Sister Florence, the staff members of the school, the PTA, school management committee, dear parents, as I've already mentioned on behalf of the RDC, who is not together with us here because of the pressing official commitments. She sends her warm greetings and best wishes to the entire community of St. Teresa's Girls Namilyango. And she really appreciates on your school calendar. Such events are not only for competition and winning medals, but they also play a vital role in shaping well-rounded children and individuals. Sports teaches us discipline, teamwork, resilience, leadership, values that are essential for success in your life. We have realized how resilient the girls were, especially when it came to football. Thank you very much. Learners, thank you so much for participating wholeheartedly. Now, whether you have won or not, dear children, what matters is the effort you have put in. What matters is the teamwork you have demonstrated. What matters is the talent you have exhibited. Remember, victory lies in you giving your best and learning from experience. Thank you for organizing this important event. It reflects your commitment to nurturing not only academic excellence, but also the physical fitness and character development among your learners. Dear participated in athletics, they've also participated in cheering. And actually, sister, today we would have got a present of the best parent who has been a morale booster. I have spotted her and I will point her out. And sister, I wish you the very best, sister. Thank you so much for this pleasant event. And thank you for inspiring your teachers and the learners. May God bless you all. Happy Easter.
In the field here.
Nasoma kati kitegeeza njagala nanga abaana abawala baveemu ate ffe nga tulina amasomero mangi ffe abasista ate mama Kevina yayagala nnyo mama Kevina ye mugunjuzi waffe abasista Little Sisters yayagala nnyo amasomero era nga yajja mu Uganda okusitula omwana omuwala so amasomero mangi ge yatandikawo nga kugamba wano Naminyangazi Namagunga Naggalama Bukedde yamangi nnyo n'atandika n'eri abalenzi awo era ndooza amasomero g'abalenzi agabasista matono n'omwana omuwala yamwagala aveeyo kubanga baalinga bakuumibwa mabegere kati bavaayo ne basobola okuba nga bakola emirimu egy'obuvunaanyizibwa era nganzi abalenzi badduka emisinde ffe bakola buli kimu era ne ku ssomero beeyerera compound beerongoosereza buli kimu bawaase obalabe bawaase emmere ng'abakyala era tutendeka bakyala so omukolo gubadde mulungi nnyo twebaza nnyo bonna ababaddewo oza mu kwogera kwange bwe mboga oba okufunye bulungi mbagambye nti waliwo akawanika akafumu omwana atenyigira mu bintu bino abaana bangi balwadde obwongo ebutabike batugambye babajjanjaba bangi lwakubanga bababeeraza mu bibiina ne balema okubeerako obulamu bwabwe bukyusamu omwana adduka amagumba ne gaguma ate mu kubeera mu byemizannyo bino omwana ayiga okwegatta ne banne empisa ez'obuntu nti oluusi bakusinga naawe n'osinga walina okkiriza so ffe bituyamba ate era omwana akola bino n'obwongo aba akola okusembayo
have